You rely on Zebra devices to get your job done. And while our robust devices are built to handle demanding environments, a comprehensive service and support plan that's straight from the source can improve your productivity by keeping teams up and running. Whatever happens. Zebra OneCare gives you access to a priority service and support structure, maximising uptime in your business. Remote diagnostics and assistance can quickly resolve issues to get you back up and running. But when a remote repair isn't possible, Zebra OneCare simplifies the process of returning a device and provides the guaranteed level of service your business deserves. Repair centres across the EMEA region, technical support, original manufacturer parts, fully qualified technicians, lifeguard security patches and visibility into your device health form the essential basis of OneCare. You'll receive priority access to these services with a full overview of the process from your dashboard. Spend more time on your business. Rely on Zebra OneCare to look after the Zebra technology that makes your business work and get the full benefits of ownership. Choose Zebra OneCare for superior service and support and keep your business running smoothly. That's what service from the source means to us.